All right, children. Okay, children. Now I continue PPT. Observe carefully, children. You all of you. I think you so many children prepared perfect. Okay, I will ask afterwards. So very good, children. So first question: value of 34 by square root of 289 into square root of 196 by 70 is. So you know, children, square root 34 by square root of 289, 34 by square root of 289 into square root of 196 by 70. 34 by square root of 289. So you told previously squares 17 square, 17 17s are 289. So that's why square root of 289 is 70. So square root of 289, 17. Square root of 196. Square root of 196. You already told 14 square. 14 square, 14 14s are 196. So that's why square root of 196 is 14. So you have understood this, I think. 14 by 70. 17 ones are 17 twos are 14 ones are 14 fives are. So answer 2 ones are 2 by 5. Children, you also solve and send your answers. So 2 by 5, option 2. Option 2 is correct. Oh, children, so many children sent your answers. Very good. Right. Okay, good. So continue, children. You are continuing 2 3 also, 2 3 also. Very good. Okay, children, continue. The value of the expression 3 square bracket begin, 3 minus flower bracket begin, 3 minus circular bracket begin, 3 minus 2 circular bracket close, flower bracket close, and square bracket close. Minutes. And దీంట్లో children, question number 2. మీకు 9 minutes తర్వాత ఈ జూమ్ కంప్లీట్ అయిపోతుంది మీటింగ్. అయితే మళ్ళీ కూడా మీరు సేమ్ లింక్ తోనే జాయిన్ అవ్వండి. మీ ఆగిపోగానే మీ యొక్క జూమ్ మీటింగ్ ఆగిపోగానే మళ్ళీ వెంటనే అదే లింక్ తోని జాయిన్ అవ్వండి. దేర్ ఇస్ నో ప్రాబ్లం. మీరు ఒకటే లింక్ పంపించాను, ఆ లింక్ తోనే మళ్ళీ జాయిన్ కాండి. ఎప్పుడైతే ఆగిపోతుందో అప్పుడే జాయిన్ కాండి. ఓకేనా? రైట్ చిల్డ్రన్. Second problem, the value of the expression. So 3 square bracket begin minus 3 minus flower bracket begin, 3 minus circular bracket begin, 3 minus 2 circular bracket close, flower bracket close, and square bracket also close. So here 3 minus 2, first we have to, children, you know about board mass. So board mass. In this board mass, B stands for brackets, O stands for half, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. So B stands for brackets. There are different bracket, children. Vinculum, this is first bracket, vinculum or bar bracket. This is second bracket, circular bracket. Next, this is the flower bracket. This is third position. Next, circular bracket. Oh, sorry, big bracket or square bracket. This is fourth. While removing brackets, if there is a vinculum or a bar bracket, first we have to remove this one. After circular bracket, after flower bracket, after square bracket. While removing, we follow this strictly, children. So these are brackets. So first we have to remove. There is no vinculum or bar bracket. That's why this first we take circular bracket. 3 minus 2, 1. These we should write as it is 1. This circular bracket completed, children. So next to flower bracket, 3 minus 2. This square bracket also completed, 3 minus 2, 1. So 3 ones are 3, children. So 3 ones are 3, option 1. So question number 3, if 178 into 34 is equal to 6052, then 60.52 divided by 17.8. This question is repeated question in PPT 27, question number 16, children. This is already finished. So we already learned. So that's why you solve this problem and check in this PPT 27 and question number 16, children. Next, this question number 4. If 600 into 3.7 is equal to 2220, then 222 divided by 37 equals. So this is also repeated question in PPT 28, question number 20, children. So if there is a doubt, you may check this problem in this PPT 28, children. So next question. Children, observe carefully while explaining. Right, children? మీరు వేగంగా చేస్తూ ఉండండి. చాట్ బాక్స్ లో పంపించండి మీ ఆన్సర్స్. సో క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 5, if 4137 divided by 1.75 is equal to 2364, then 41.37 divided by 17.5 is equal to. So children, what is given here? 4137 by 1.75 is equal to 2364 is given. Basing this, we have to find the value of 41.37 by 17.5 is equal to. So what will get? మనకి ఇచ్చినటువంటి క్వశ్చన్ ఇలా చేంజ్ చేయాలి. మరి ఇలా చేంజ్ చేయాలంటే మనం ఏం చేయాలంటే దీంట్లో డెసిమల్ పాయింట్ ఇక్కడికి రావాలి. మరి ఇక్కడికి రావాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? దీంట్లో అంటే 10 తోని మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 10 తోని దీన్ని 10 తోని మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఇక్కడికి వస్తుంది. మరి ఇక్కడ ఒక దగ్గర 10 తోని మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే there is changes in this fraction. So that's why we have to change in in this also. So 1 into 10. There is no changes in this fraction. So ఇక్కడ 10 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఇక్కడికి వస్తాను, ఇక్కడికి కావాల్సి ఉంది, ఇక్కడికి వస్తుంది. సో అందు గురించి మరి ఇక్కడ 10 తో మల్టిప్లై చేసినాం అంటే చేంజ్ వస్తుంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ కూడా 10 తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. ఇక న్యూమరేటర్ లో ఏం కావాలి? న్యూమరేటర్ లో ఇక్కడ పాయింట్ ఉంది అంటే ఇక్కడి వరకు రావాల్సి ఉంది. మరి ఇక్కడ చేంజ్ కావాలంటే ఇక్కడ కూడా పాయింట్ ఇటు లెఫ్ట్ కు షిఫ్ట్ చేయాల్సి ఉంది. అంటే ఏమొచ్చింది ఆన్సర్? 23.64 వచ్చింది. మరి ఇక్కడ బైలో 10 ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇంకొక ప్లేస్ లెఫ్ట్ కు రావాల్సి ఉంది. టు డివైడ్ బై 10 we shift to the decimal to the left by 1 place. So what is the answer? 2.364. So ఇది children, so 2.364. So option 2 is correct. Fifth answer option 4 అని పెట్టారు children. కాదు, ఇది చాలా లాజిక్ గా చేయాల్సింది. లాజిక్ గా చేయండి. సో మీరు కేర్ఫుల్ గా చేయాల్సిన children. సో నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం, simplify 15.5 minus 12/5 into 5/8 plus 7 divided by 1 3/4 into 2. సో ఈ బ్రాకెట్స్ ను మనము బ్రాకెట్ బాడ్మాస్ రూల్ ను అప్లై చేసుకొని ఇది చేయాల్సింది. బాడ్మాస్, ఈ బాడ్మాస్ రూల్స్ ను అప్లై చేసుకొని మనం ఇది సాల్వ్ చేయాల్సింది. సో 15.5 minus 12/5 into 5/8 plus 7 minus 4 7/4 children, not minus, divided by children, this 7/4 into 2. So 5 cancel, 4 2s 4 3s, 15.5 minus 3/2 plus to divide a fraction by another fraction we have to multiply the reciprocal of the second fraction. So 7 into 4/7. So 7 cancel into 2. 15.5 minus 3/2 plus 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Fifteen and 3/2 minus 2 3 2 8 are 16. So here children, once again observe from here to, so 3/2 3/2 here, bracket here is completing. So we have to mention this bracket children must. 4 into 2, 15.5 minus here LCM of this 2 3 2 4 is 8 into 2. So 2 cancel. 15 and a half, 11. 15 and a half minus 11, 4 and a half. 4 and a half means 9/2, children. So 9/2 is the correct answer. So option 3 is right. 9/2. Yes, Komal, very good. Sivasai, very good. Right. 7th one, which of the following is not equal to 25? So children, not equal to 25. 400 divided by 4 is equal to 25. 50 minus 25, 25 will get. So this is not correct option. 20 divided by 4, 4 5s are 5 plus 20, 25. So this is not equal to 25. So this is not correct option. 10 minus 5, 5, 5 4s, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 5, 25. So this is not correct option. So fourth one is correct option. So how to get to 24 plus 2 1s are 2, 24 plus 2 1s are 2, 26. So this is not equal to 25. So that's why fourth option is correct. Question number 8. The value of x which makes the following statement true is. So ikkada dini 2x value ni find cheyali. Find the x. 3, 11 3 is a 33. 11 3 is a 33, 40. So 40 by 11 into 11 by 5 divided by 3 by 7. 3 into x, 3x children. 3x by 7 is equal to 4 by 3. First we have to cancel. 5 8s are, 5 1s are, 11 1s are, 11 1s are. So 8. So to divide a fraction by another fraction, we have to multiply. So this is 8 by 1. 7 by 3x is equal to 4 by 3. So 4 1s, 4 2s, 3 cancel. So on cross multiply, here 1 only, x 1s are x is equal to 7s are 14. So option 2. 8th one. Children, speed up. Veganga cheyali. Veganga cheyali children. So 8th one, very good. So many children got 14, very good. So 9th, 3 by 8 divided by, here we have to take the LCM of this. So I will tell you clearly. 5 by 3. 5 by 3 minus 1 by 6 plus 5 by 8. So 3 by 8 divided by LCM of this 3 6 6. So 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 2, 5s are 10, 6 1s are 1 1s, 6 1s are 1 1s are 1. 5 by 8. So that is called 3 by 8 divided by 6 by here 10 minus 1, 9. So 9, 6 by 9. We have to reciprocal to divide a fraction by another fraction. We have to multiply with the reciprocal second fraction. Multiply with the second fraction. So here into plus 5 by 8. 3 1s, 3 3s. So 3 1s, 3 2s. So here we have like fractions. So that's why here 2 by 8 plus 5 by 8. So 2 5s are 8, 2 plus 5 7, 7 by 8. 7 by 8 means option 3. Ninth one, Revanth got 1 but not correct, children. Revanth not correct. Komal, very good. Right, good. చాలా మందికి ఆన్సర్ వచ్చింది, వెరీ గుడ్. 15 minus 15 divided by 15 into 6. So children, first we have to do in Dimas rule. So first we have to do division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So first we have to do this. 15 divided by 15, 1. If a number is divided with itself, we get 1. So into 6. So first we have to simplify this. 15 minus 6, 9, children. So 9, option 3. 11th, the value of 0.9 divided by 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. We have to take count these decimal places. 1 2 decimal places. 0.09. So 0.9 by 0.09. We have to shift the decimal to the right by 2 places. Here also 2 places. 90 by 9. 9 ones are 9 ones are 10. So 10 is the answer. Option 4. Children, 12th problem, simplification of 2.75 minus 1.25 plus 4.75 minus 3.80 in fractional form is, this is a decimal form, decimal number. We have to simplify and convert into fractional form, mixed fraction. To convert into mixed fraction, we have to add and subtract 275. So this is plus number, plus decimal number. This is also plus decimal number, 4.75 plus 1 minus 1 minus 1.25 minus 3.80. We have to add separately 10, 14, 15, 3 plus 4, 7, 7.50. So here 5, 10, 5. So minus 5.05, minus 5.05. Now we have to subtract 10 minus 5, 4. We are saying 7 minus 5, 2. So this is decimal number. To convert a decimal number, we delete. We should write whole part. Write whole number, whole part, and delete this decimal point and write it in numerator. And how many decimal places? We have to keep zeros after 1. So 9, 5 9s, 5 2s, 0. So 2 9 by 20 is the correct answer. 2 9 by 20, first option, children. So many children solved this 12th problem. Very good, very nice. Maidar Reddy, very good. Madhulika, good. Yashwant Rishi, good. Oracle, good. Okay, very good, children. Next to 15th problem. This is topic 13, speed, time and distance. A car traveled certain distance in 4 hours with a speed of 45 km/h. Another car traveled the same distance in 3 hours, then the speed of the car is. First, we have to find the distance. Here we have distance formula, D is equal to ST. Here we have speed 45 kilometers per hour. 45 kilometers per hour. Time 4 hours. Here we have 4 hours. 4 hours. 4 hours. So we have to substitute these values in this formula. This is the formula. 45 4s are 4 5s are 20. 4 4s are 16, 18, 180 kilometers. So this is the distance. So this is the distance. Here we have to find the speed of the another car. S is equal to D by T. S is equal to D by T. S is equal to D by T. So here distance we got already 180, and time another car, the time of another car 3 hours. 3 hours. So we have to substitute these values in this formula. 180 by 3, 3 ones, 3 6. So 60 kilometer per hour. 60 kilometer per hour. Lakshmi Prasanna, what's your doubt? Okay, ma. Okay. 60 kilometer per hour. So fourth option is correct, children. Right. Next to 14th. If Rajesh travels on cycle at a speed of 4 kilometer per hour, then he reached the place morning at 7 hours. If he travels at a speed of 5 kilometer per hour, then he reaches half an hour before. Then the distance between his house and the place is. So this is a repeated question, children, in PPT 29, question number 19. You see there and copy this question. Next to 15th question also repeated in PPT 19, question number 20, children. So next topic 14, approximation. What is the closest number to the product of 2.002 into 157.5? So we have to find the closest number, children. To find the closest number, we have to multiply first. 157.5, 157.5. Oh, sorry. (157.5). We have to take distance, some distance 157.5. We have to multiply with the 2.002. 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14, 15, 2 5s are 10, 11, 2 1s are 2, 3. Now multiply with 0 here into 0, 0, 0, 0. Next multiply with the next 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Next to multiply with the 2. 2, same this 0, 5, 1, 3. This will get, children. So 0, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3. here we have to calculate this decimal to decimal point to decimal point. 3 plus here 3 plus 1. So total 4. We have to maintain in this also 4 decimal places, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the method of multiplying decimal numbers. What is the closest number? Here 315. That means here we have whole numbers. We have to take whole number. This is the answer 315. So option 1. Simplify after expressing the decimal correct to 100th place. First we have to simplify this. 17.64654, 8.632, 10.076. First we have to add all this. 6 plus 6, 12, 6, 9, 16, 12, 13, 8, 16, 36.362 children. So next minus number 35.009. We have to subtract this. This here 12 minus 9, 3, 5, 3, 6 minus 5, 1, 0. 1.2 353. We have to correct it to 100th place. Hundredths. This is tenths. This is hundredths. This is the 100th place, children. 100. We have to correct to 100th place. To correct to 100th place, we have to consider immediately right place, 1000th place. If it is 5 or more than 5, add 1 to this required place. There is less than 5, we write this as it is 1.35. So 1.35, option 1, children. Question number 18, rounding up the final answer of 87 into 79 minus 6.012, 6,012 divided by 12 plus 526. So we have to complete fatafat this. 87, 79, 9763. 9 8s are 72, 78. 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56, 60. 63, 17, 8, 6, 873. Minus 6. This is 6,012 by 12. So 12 5s are 60. 12 zeros are 12 ones are 12 ones are 501. So this is 501. First, okay, we can subtract this, or we can subtract this in 526 minus 501. So 5 to 25. This is a plus number. We have to add 2 5. So 8 9 8 6. 6 8 9 8. Not there. We have to rounding up this for 6 8 9. When we round it to hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds, it is approximate to 6900. 6,900. So option 2. So question number 19. The result of simplification. First, we have to multiply this. This also multiply 13,000,000 5 into 3. 3 5 is 15. 0 3 3 is 9. 3 1 is 3. We completed this. Next, we have to add this 0.4034. 0.1234. Next, first we have to multiply this 0.0019. One more 0. 6. So 19 6 19 5 95. 114. 114. We have to keep these many decimal places. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5 decimal places. So 5 decimal places. Okay. 0.2. We have to add to this 114. Now we have to add all these 4 7 6 1 0 0 9 3 39. This. So option 3. Question number 20. Question number 20. Okay. Time and work. Unitary method. So a man bought oranges at the rate of 72 per dozen. How many oranges can he buy for 132 rupees? So this is unitary method question. So 72 rupees. Rate of 72 for dozen. 1 dozen. 1 dozen means 12 articles. 12 articles. So 12 articles. So how many oranges can buy for 132 rupees? So this is the unitary method. Divide into. So 12 by 72 into 132. Here 12 5 is 60, 12 6 is 72. 6 1 is 6 2 is 6 2 is 22 oranges. So 22 oranges we can buy. So children completed 20 problems. Chala mandi complete chesharu. Very good.